Yo, I'm Dapper Nez, dropping some more car tech on y'all. And this time, what we're going to be doing a review of is the BAM. This is the Wislight LED Emergency Roadside Flare Kit. Alright? So pretty much exactly what it says. It's the LED flares. It's not the actual flares that you light up and it's actually a torch or like actual fire. These are LED, but hopefully the lights are bright enough to do what it needs to do. So we're gonna take a look at it and then we're gonna light them up and see how bright they are. It's daylight outside, so I guess anything can be lit up at nighttime and it should be bright enough. But right now we're in the middle of the day. We got a lot of sunlight outside, so we're gonna take it outside and see how bright it is in the actual sunlight, and then you should be able to gauge there yourself how bright it'll actually be in the dark. So let's just get into this bad boy. One-handed operation, you know the deal. Get the plastic off. I guess I should have showed you before I took the plastic off around the box. I mean, it's the same on the front and the back of the box. You know, you got the name of it. But on the one side, on the actual plastic, you had your little barcode. You know, I like to show you the barcode whenever I can. So that's your barcode in case you need to see that. Bam. So that's trash now. So get that out of there. So you can see over here you got two clamps to lock it closed. All right, open her up. Bam. When you open it up, you're presented with two flares. All right, and two stands. These are the stands for it. And you see the open up X style bong. Flare number 1, flare number 2, and then you got some literature right here, which I'm pretty sure is just some stuff, basic literature. Give you a little glance at it. You know, just some basic instructions. You don't need that right now. So this is what we're looking at. This is what it looks like going all around it. Looks exactly the same. Right here, this is magnetic. It says right here. Bam. So that was magnet. It's stuck right to it. So it holds it in place just like so. Bam. And that's how it sits up. Looks like you have a light on top, so you can use it as a flashlight. Lighting situation going all around it. Any batteries? No batteries. So let me pause it real quick and see if I actually have some batteries on me. If not, there's going to be a 2-part video. So hold on a second. Okay. Now, there's no batteries actually, but the magnetic portion on the bottom, it screws off. Let me unscrew it real quick. Okay, and as you see, the little battery compartment popped out. Takes 3 AAAs, which I happen to not have AAAs in my car. I only have AA's, but these take 3 trips. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get some trips, throw them in here, and then we're gonna finish up the review. So see you on the flip side. Okay, we back in. We got the Wislight LED flares. It's daylight out, and as you can see, you got one lit up red and one's flashing. Let me get a little closer so you can see. And that one's flashing. So as you can see, in the bright sunlight out here, you can still see it faintly. I mean, you can definitely see that there's something on the ground. So when you back up a little bit, you definitely see that there's something on the ground there. And as you get closer, you see it flashing. So what's going to happen is when I come back in, I'm gonna let it get a little bit darker out here when I come back in, so that way you can really see what this bad boy looks like. So I just wanted to show you what it looks like in the daylight. Now we're really gonna see how she looks. So see you on the flip when it gets a little darker, or a lot darker. Okay, we back in. It's nighttime. Now you can really see how these bad boys light up. You back up a little bit. So these bad boys are lit up, and you got a good distance on them too. So right now, I want to say I'm probably about 100 feet away right now, and you could clearly see those 100 feet easy. So see, right now there's police activity on my street, and that's probably about 200 feet away, and this is about 100 feet. So these are just every bit as bright as those down there. So just wanted to let you guys get a look at how these look at night. And with that being said, I'm Nez, and this has been the official review of the Wislight LED portable flares. I'm Nez. Cop that. I'll put the links in the description. And I'm out this piece.